What would you wish for if you found a magical red pebble? All the candy in the world? Superpowers? Hey there, Miss Biggs, here to book talk with you about Sylvester and the Magic Pebble. Sylvester and the Magic Pebble is a wonderful children's book and 1970 Caldecott Award winner, written and illustrated by William Stegg. The story introduces Sylvester Duncan, a sweet little donkey who lives with his mother and father on Acorn Road. Sylvester, who loved to collect unusual-looking pebbles, went exploring one rainy Saturday and found the most beautiful, shiny, flaming red pebble. And to add to Sylvester's surprise, this was a magic pebble that could make wishes come true. Sylvester was truly excited until he came across a mean, hungry-looking lion. Poor Sylvester was so frightened by the lion that he panicked and wished himself into a rock. Sylvester was stuck, for he could not hold the magic pebble to wish himself back. He could have wished the lion would turn into a butterfly, or a daisy, or a gnat. He could have wished many things, but he panicked and couldn't think carefully. "I wish I were a rock," he said, and he became a rock. The lion came bounding over, sniffed the rock 100 times, walked around and around it, and went carefully away, confused, perplexed, puzzled, and bewildered. "I saw the donkey as clear as day. Maybe I'm going crazy." His transformation back into his old self and his reunion with his family after so long is what makes this a remarkably beautiful, heartwarming book. As you can see, Stegg's adorable illustrations drawn in a cartoon style use simple lines and colorful watercolors to capture the emotion and the journey of the story's characters. This is a wonderful book that I highly recommend. It's very charming, and it certainly reiterates that we should always be careful what we wish for. Thanks, and I hope you'll pick this up and read it.